Good afternoon, friends. My name is Konstantin, and I represent the company Novostroyment. Today, we're here in an apartment. This is a new building, 86 square meters. We've finished the rough renovation here. Let me tell you in detail what we've done and what still needs to be done at this site. At this point, the screed in the apartment is already finished. Under the screed, we have soundproofing. All the electrical wiring has been laid, and in the wet areas, the plumbing is installed. All the partitions in the apartment have been built. The walls are plastered using beacons and are ready for puttying. The ceiling in the apartment is made of drywall, and under the drywall there is acoustic plus sound insulation. At this site, the renovation is being carried out strictly according to the design project. The style is modern classic. We'll see what we end up with in just about a month and a half.